Hello dears, today we are going to see about the conditional sentences. In conditional sentences, we can see the two classes. One is if class and another one is main class. In if class, the word if will be there. It represents some conditions. And in main class, we can find the result. Okay, so this is called a main class. Based on the fulfillment of a condition, we divide the sentences as zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. Now I am going to explain you about the zero conditional. In zero conditional, you have to remember only one thing. Zero conditional means surely it will be going to us a scientific truth or general truth. It will not be changed. The result never be changed. In if class, we can see the simple present tense, and in the main class, we can find the same simple present tense. Okay, so if there is past tense, surely the main class will have also the same past tense. I give you one example here. If you heat butter, it melts. See, my dears, in the if class, if you heat butter, we see, and in the main class we can see it melts. So if you heat butter is a condition and it melts is the result. This result will never be changed. Always it is same. Am I right? So this is called scientific and general truth. Okay. So shall we see the second, and which means the type 1 conditional? In conditional sentences type 1, the if class will have simple present tense and the main class will have future tense like will plus verb or won't plus verb. In if class, we can find some modal auxiliaries like can, must, or may. Okay, so the main class will have some imperatives, and I give one example now. If I find her address, I will send her an invitation. See this sentence. See the if class. If I find. This is a simple present tense. Am I right? In the main class, we can find I will send. So the will and the verb is there as main class. Okay. And then I am going to give another one example. If I go to school, I will get knowledge. Okay. So shall we see the second type conditional? See there, some more examples are given for type 1 conditional. So I don't want to repeat them. In type 2, this is something like possibility or something like hypothetical, okay, like assumption. So the if class will have some assumptions and the result will be like some imaginations. It will not be shown as sure. Okay, in if class, the simple past tense will be there. Sometime we are using could or might as modal auxiliaries, and when we use simple past tense, In the main class, we can see would plus verb. Okay? I give you an example now. If you did your homework more often, your teacher wouldn't get angry with you. See this sentence. Really, this is a good example. You can frame your own sentences. If you did your homework, so did represents as it is simple past tense. Am I right? See the second class now. Wouldn't get. So the would has come and not was given as negative and then the verb was there. Am I right? I give one more example now. If they left early, they might get to the theater on time. This is also a good example, dears. If they left represents it is a past tense. Am I right? And you see the second class might get. So, in this sentence, would has been given as might because this is an assumption and hypothetically we are using might. See one more sentence. If I were you, I wouldn't buy that expensive coat. So, this is not the fact. This is an imagination. Am I right? If I were you, this is the condition. But I am not you. So, in the second class, we can see I wouldn't buy. In this sentence, would is there plus verb is there. Okay, so the result was given for the hypothetical condition. Okay. Now we are going to see the conditional sentences type 3. In these type 3, you can find an important thing. In the if class, past perfect tense will be there. For example, had plus past participle will be there, or sometime we can see could, might or should. In the main class, we can find would have plus past participle. Okay, this is completely like imagination. It was not given as possibilities. Okay, this is impossible results will be given. For example, I give you one sentence now. We would have come yesterday if we had known about it. See the first sentence. This is the main class. If we had known about it is if class. Okay. First we can see the if class. If we had known about it. This was the condition. We would have come yesterday. This is the imagination and this is the result what was not as possible now. Okay. If I had waited longer last night, I might have found out about it. Here also it was given as past perfect tense plus in the main class we can see might have found out. This is representing would plus have. Might was given as modal auxiliary here. Okay. If I had gone to the supermarket, I could have bought some bread. So this was not possible at the right time. So if it was done, this could have bought. Okay. So the condition and result both are given in the third conditional type. Thank you. We can see in the next class, dears. If you're having any doubts, please call me or commend me.